In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to add your personal touch or enhance readability, setting your favorite font as the default is a quick way to personalize your documents. We're going to walk you through this process step by step. First things first, let's open up a new tab in your browser and search for Google Docs. You can easily find it at the top of the search results and click on the link to open the application. Once you have Google Docs in front of you, make sure you're logged in with your Google account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login details. Having your Google account ready is essential, as it allows your preferences to be saved across all your documents. Now that you're logged in, you can either open an existing document or start fresh with a new one. For today's demonstration, any document will work, so feel free to choose one that suits your needs. Once your document is open, type a simple sentence onto the page. It doesn't have to be anything complex. A short phrase will do just fine. Highlight this sentence you've typed. This is important because the text needs to be selected in order to change its font and formatting. Once your text is highlighted, look to the top toolbar where you'll find a variety of options for altering the appearance of your text. Here, you can change the font to one you prefer, adjust the size to your liking, and even add additional formatting such as color or making it bold. Take your time to explore these options and settle on a style that reflects your personal or professional taste. With your text still highlighted, navigate to the Styles drop-down menu, which is typically labeled as Normal Text. Hover over this option and a new set of choices will appear. What you're looking for is the option to update normal text to match the style you just set. Click on this update selection and Google Docs will prompt the new style to be the default for normal text throughout the document. Next, head over to the menu bar and click on Format. This will open up several formatting options. Hover your mouse over paragraph styles, then slide over to Options. Here, you'll see the choice to Save as my default styles. Click this, and you've successfully set your new font and formatting as the default. From now on, every Google Doc you create will automatically use the style you've just set. It's important to note, however, that this change will only affect documents that you create from this point onward. Any existing documents will remain unchanged unless you manually adjust their styles. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've customized Google Docs to suit your needs better. Enjoy the freedom of having your chosen font ready to go every time you open a new document.